Hello to all Discovery teachers and staff. It's been requested that I give a guide on how to create a video lesson, establish a YouTube channel, upload that video, and then link to Google Classroom. So that's going to be the purpose of this video. And we're going to come over to my computer screen to learn how to do that. All right, so as we see here, this is a Google Doc that I created. It's going to be shared with everybody. And there's three parts to this outline here. It's a little bit long. I tried to be detailed, but also simple enough to follow. I can try to truncate it later for ease of use. But the three sections basically of this video lesson are how to create a video lesson, how to establish a YouTube channel and upload a video, and how to link your video to Google Classroom. So let's take a look at the first section, creating a video lesson. There are multiple methods of filming your video content. Basically, you need a camera, whether that camera be on a laptop, iPhone, or a narrated screen video, which would require a microphone. I am wanting for some of this equipment, so that's why I am using my iPhone, as you can probably tell. So, uploads to YouTube are most seamless when you record the video on the same device that you are using to upload the video. So for example, I'm recording this on my iPhone, so I'm going to use my iPhone to upload the video. I've tried to email videos with my iPhone to my computer, but that process is too time consuming. So in terms of the content of your video, you want to make sure that you're using the same principles of lesson planning that we would normally in the classroom. Start with your objective. What should your students be able to know and be able to do at the end of the lesson? Make sure your objective is very focused and very small, a discrete skill. We don't want these videos to be too protracted. Make sure you have your knowledge statements prepared ahead of time. Keep your video to about 15 minutes or shorter. Have a clear procedure. This is the most important part. So as you can see now, I am modeling for you how to have a procedure displayed on the screen that students can read. And that's what I'm doing here. So you want to have that in the frame of your video. Make sure that you're modeling that procedure and showing students what you want them to be doing on the computer screen, which is what I'm going to show you as we move to uploading videos. Make sure to try to integrate how to navigate Google Classroom or other technological platforms in your lesson, or you could make the objective itself about how to navigate Google Classroom. So let's talk about filming. Obviously this is a little rough, but we're doing the best we can. Make sure to give students a clear view of your computer screen, which I am attempting to do now. Make sure to place your phone or laptop or camera such that it frames the shot. Right now I'm just holding my phone and aiming it where I want. If you want to set up your camera kind of like a tripod and then you have to hit record and then walk over to the area, that interval while you're getting into the shot can be trimmed out of the video later. And if you have an Apple Watch synced to your phone, you can hit record from where you are, so your phone will start recording remotely when you tap that feature on the Apple Watch, if you happen to have one of those. And if you're fortunate enough to have someone at home to help you, ask them to be your camera operator. My wife has been doing this for me, although not right now because she herself is working on a conference call. You can narrate screen videos. I have not mastered this skill yet. I don't have a microphone to do that on my computer anyway, but I do know that you can do it on the iPhone as well. And some of our colleagues know how to do that, so maybe I can put you in touch with them to get more information about that. I like to include myself in the shot, as I did at the beginning of this video, to engage students and create continuity with the classroom, but your voice is what counts. Establish a place in your home that you don't mind showing up on videos that will be uploaded to YouTube. And remember to remove anything from the frame that you don't want your students to see. Remember, the computer screen is the modality now, right? So students are going to be doing the learning on the computer, so that's what we should be showing them. Clearly and concisely state the purpose of the video at the beginning, as I did with this video, and make sure to model the procedure and narrate what you're doing and why you're doing it. Type examples onto your Google Doc handout as you model, and recap the video at the end by listing the main bullets of your procedure and purpose. Make sure your video is saved on your device. So that concludes the first section of this tutorial video. So now we're going to establish a YouTube channel and upload a video. This is really easy. The steps are basically the same with some small variations. depending on whether or not you're using a computer or a laptop or your iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to do this if you were using a computer. So we're going to go over to this side of the screen here. Here we have Google. Here you can see that I'm signed in as, up here in the corner of the screen, I'm signed in with my Discovery email. I'm going to click on the Google Suite icon, and then I'm going to come down to YouTube. All right, so now I'm going to go to this button right here. This is really the key, this little camera button with the plus sign. It's as easy as that. You just click that, upload video, and then you're rolling. You can drag and drop the file of your video. This is really easy if you're using the same device to upload that you were to record, as I said before. And then once you select the file, it's pretty much done. You've got yourself a YouTube channel. Here you can see my YouTube videos that I've posted, my instructional videos. One thing you can do, if you click on videos, we can go over to your channel. And you can see some features here, like this is a photo that I uploaded. It's a picture of my classroom. I thought that was kind of nice. Boy, do I miss that place now more than ever. And then you can see, you can customize certain aspects of your YouTube channel, and this is what people will see. You can remind your students to subscribe to your YouTube channel, which will allow ease of access. Here, you can customize your channel, and then YouTube Studio is really the most interactive way to edit the content that you're putting up there, and you have many different features that you can use to organize the YouTube videos that you are posting. All right, great. So once you've uploaded your video and it's on YouTube, then you can link it to Google Classroom. So if we go over here, this is my Google Class, English Language Arts, second period. Then you click this button right here on the stream feature, share something with your class. Here you can indicate which classes, you guys probably figured this out already, which classes you want to share this with, whether or not you want a video for just one class or multiple classes. You can type a description of the video, and then down here, you're going to click Add. You're going to go to YouTube, and then you'll have this feature right here where it says you can search for your video, or I find it more accurate to just copy and paste the URL from the video that you want to post. And once you have that on there, you can post the overall message for your class, which will contain the link to the video. And that is about it. Let me just get back to my, oops. All right, my document. This is going to be available for you that you can peruse at your convenience. And I will include a link to this video in here so that you can use this as an example. Earlier in the video, I said that you want to make sure to state your purpose at the beginning, your objective. You want to model what you're going to be doing on the computer screen for students, and then give a recap. So what did we do? We learned some basic principles about how to create a video lesson. We learned how to establish and upload videos to YouTube, and then how to link those YouTube videos to your Google Classroom. I apologize for the lack of production quality. This is just me with my iPhone in my bedroom, but desperate times, right? I sincerely hope everybody's doing great and is safe and happy and healthy at home with your families. And if you have any questions about uploading YouTube videos and how to sync them with Google Classroom, you can email me and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So good luck, everybody. Stay healthy.